Welcome to 3D Printing for Women. Explore, learn, innovate. If you already own a 3D printer, congratulations! You're officially a maker. But here's something most beginners don't realize. Your printer alone isn't enough. Most 3D printers come with a basic accessory kit, but that kit doesn't cover everything. And while you don't need to buy everything at once, chances are you'll eventually add many of these tools to your collection. The 3D printing accessories you need will depend on your goals and your budget. The right accessories can save you time, reduce failed prints, improve print quality, and even help you turn 3D printing into a profitable side hustle. Today, I'm sharing 3D printing accessories every woman needs, whether you're printing for fun, creativity, organization, or income. Let's get started. Section 1. Essential Toolkit. The first must-have accessory is a basic 3D printing toolkit. This is non-negotiable. A good kit usually includes flush cutters for removing supports, tweezers for fine details, a spatula or scraper for removing prints, Allen keys and screwdrivers for maintenance, gripping tools like vacuum suction cups, electric clamps, and clamps facilitate the grasping and transportation of 3D printed components, allowing users to relocate and remove prints from the build plate. The term suction cup in 3D printing has two primary applications. It is associated with functioning components in automated material handling systems and can denote potential print failures. Suction cups are hollow cavities in models that trap resin during printing, leading to failures or damage to the build tray. Specifically, in resin, SLA, DLP, 3D printing, these cavities hold air or uncured resin and create a vacuum effect that may result in significant print issues. These tools help you safely remove prints without damaging them, or your fingers. Why it matters: clean removal equals better-looking prints and fewer accidents. Section 2. Build plate adhesion helpers. If your prints aren't sticking to the bed, or worse, they warp halfway through, you need bed adhesion accessories. Popular options include glue sticks. By ensuring that your prints adhere to the build plate correctly, glue sticks lower the possibility of warping or detachment during the printing process. Different filaments require different glues. In some cases, certain filaments call for specialized adhesive solutions. Specialized 3D printing adhesives. PEI or textured build plates. Masking tape is a common tool for 3D printing. It helps objects adhere to the print bed, protects the surface from scratches, and makes print removal easier. Adhesion sheets enhance adherence to build plates and are compatible with various materials. They act as reusable alternatives to glue sticks and can withstand higher temperatures than masking tape. It's also good to keep at least one spare build plate for each printer. An extra build plate can be extremely helpful when switching to a different 3D printing material that requires a different print surface. All of these options help your first layer stick properly and allow prints to release cleanly once cooled. Why this matters: choosing the right build surface directly affects first layer adhesion, and the first layer is critical to successful 3D printing. Section 3. Digital calipers. In 3D printing, accuracy is essential, and a digital caliper is a valuable tool for precise measurement and setting adjustments. Digital calipers are more user-friendly and more accurate than analog versions. They are crucial for ensuring that prints meet design standards, especially for items that need to fit together or serve a functional purpose. The dimensions, form, and surface quality of 3D printed parts are assessed using precision measuring tools. These tools help identify printing defects and ensure compliance with design specifications. Tools like micrometers and digital calipers are essential for achieving satisfactory 3D prints. If you want accurate professional prints, you need digital calipers. These let you measure thickness, diameter, inner and outer dimensions. They're perfect for designing custom organizers, jewelry, replacement parts. Why it matters: accuracy equals better fits, happier customers, and fewer reprints. Section 4. Cleaning and maintenance tools. Cleaning supplies for 3D printing include various tools and materials essential for maintaining printers and prints, such as cleaners, disinfectants, brushes, sponges, and paper towels. Utilizing items like alcohol and hot water can enhance print quality and longevity. A clean printer is a happy printer. Essential cleaning accessories include isopropyl alcohol for the build plate, microfiber cloths, nozzle cleaning needles, small brass brushes. These prevent clogs and improve print consistency. Why it matters: less maintenance equals more printing time and fewer headaches. Section 5. Filament storage solutions. Filament absorbs moisture, especially in humid environments. That's why proper filament storage is essential. Options include airtight storage containers. Vacuum containers are crucial for 3D printers as they keep moisture-absorbing filaments dry between print jobs. These containers feature a vacuum valve and pump that create a vacuum seal, protecting the filaments from airborne moisture. You can visually confirm the vacuum seal by observing the valve collapse inward once sealed. When not in use, keep filament in airtight containers with desiccant. Long-term protection of filament storage is important for safeguarding your printing materials, preventing moisture absorption, and keeping dust away. Effective solutions include vacuum-sealed bags and desiccant-filled airtight containers for organizing your workspace. Vacuum-sealed bags. Resealable bags with desiccant are essential for storing 3D printer filament. Moisture absorption can degrade the filament and cause printing issues. Store filament in a sealed bag or container and make sure all moisture is removed with desiccant. Filament dry boxes. A filament dryer maintains the integrity of printing materials by preventing moisture absorption, which can otherwise lead to brittle filament, poor layer adhesion, bubbling, and nozzle clogs due to steam expansion. Why it matters: dry filament means smoother prints, stronger layers, and fewer defects. Side hustle tip: proper storage protects your investment and keeps your prints consistent, especially important if you sell your 3D printed creations. Section 6. Nozzle upgrades and spares. Your nozzle controls print quality, yet many beginners never change it. One of the most important parts of a 3D printer is the nozzle, responsible for shaping molten plastic. Print quality may decline or fail if nozzles are blocked or damaged, making a maintenance kit essential for cleaning and maintaining them. Additional print nozzles for 3D printers improve functionality and quality, allowing for more complex designs and stronger materials. The most common is the 0.4mm nozzle for general printing. Finer details are achieved with 2mm nozzles. A 0.6mm nozzle enables quicker printing. Rectangular or triangular nozzles create specific line or stitch shapes. Different 3D printing tasks require different nozzle sizes. Larger nozzles like 0.8mm allow thicker layers and faster print completion, but may compromise detail. Smaller nozzles, such as 0.4mm, produce thinner layers with better quality and finer details. Tip: doubling the layer height can roughly halve print time, but fine details may be lost with larger nozzles. Must-have nozzle accessories include spare brass nozzles, hardened steel nozzles for abrasive filaments, different nozzle sizes for detail or speed. Why it matters: a worn nozzle ruins detail and surface finish, making these accessories essential for professional quality prints. Section 7. Safety and comfort accessories. 3D printing should be creative, not uncomfortable or unsafe. 3D printers can release hazardous compounds like ultrafine particles, UFPs, and volatile organic compounds, VOCs, in enclosed spaces such as home offices or basements, posing health risks. An effective air filtration system is crucial for reducing these harmful emissions and improving print quality. It's important to consider the air filtration system's capabilities when choosing a 3D printer based on your individual needs. Climate control for a 3D printer enclosure is also crucial. It ensures a stable printing environment, prevents print distortion from drafts, reduces noise, and manages particle inclusion. Important safety accessories include heat-resistant gloves, safety glasses, ventilation, or air filtration systems. These are especially important if you print ABS, ASA, or for long sessions indoors. Why it matters: protecting your health is part of being a smart maker. Section 8. Finishing and post-processing tools. Want your prints to look polished and sellable? 3D print finishing tools such as sandpaper, polishing agents, cutting tools, drilling tools, welding tools, and painting tools are essential for post-processing 3D printed products. They improve the usability, surface quality, and dimensional accuracy of 3D prints. A high-speed, versatile rotary tool that can perform tasks such as cutting, sanding, carving, and grinding. It's effective for polishing metal-containing 3D prints, removing support materials, and smoothing sharp edges. One essential tool for 3D printing is a cutting blade, used to cut, resize, or reshape 3D printed components, enhancing overall quality. Using a deburring tool is effective for cleaning modeling holes and removing small plastic fragments from printed parts, particularly brims. To refine prints that may not be perfect, knives are also necessary for trimming. Unwanted plastic blobs and filament strings can be skillfully eliminated with a knife, resulting in a smoother finish. Consider buying a cutting mat along with a knife featuring interchangeable blades. When it comes to eliminating support and producing a neater, cleaner finish, wire cutters are great. You'll also need sandpaper, various grits, craft knives, paintbrushes or spray paint, primer. These tools transform basic prints into professional-looking products. Why it matters: finished prints sell better, period. Section 9. Turn accessories into income. Here's the secret. Accessories don't just improve your prints, they improve your earning potential. Better tools equals better quality equals higher prices. Whether you sell on Etsy, at craft fairs, or online, accessories pay for themselves. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly 3D printing content made for women. Check the link in the description below for more information on accessories and tools. And remember, your creativity deserves the right tools. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.